Hello, my name's Archie, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use D++ with Windows, more specifically Visual Studio 2022. So, for this, you want to head over to the Windows bot template. The link is in the description below, so don't worry about that. And you want to download the zip. If you want to turn this into like a fork, you can either fork it, or you can use the template and create a new repository. That will simply just, automatically create a Git repo that you can push your files to, so you always have updates that way. But if you just want to edit the code without pushing to Git or whatnot, you don't understand that, then just download the zip. That's what I've got for this example. So once you've downloaded the zip, you'll want to extract the contents. I've already done that, so I've got my folder here, Windows bot template main, and it's got all the files in. So you want your folder with a bunch of files in like this. So you can go ahead and open up your SLN in VS2022. So I've already got this open. So as you can see, it's got my bot token in. This will be blurred out for you. And it's got some other stuff in here as well. It's got some fresh code ready for you to use, so you don't need to worry about that. So from here, it's as simple as hitting local Windows debugger, which will start your bot, and you can see I've already started a session, so it started up a new session, and there you go. Your bot is now online. If you go into a channel with your bot, you can just simply do /ping, and you will get Pong back. And that is it. Thank you all for watching.